Hi creators. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create digital stickers and sell them on Etsy in 2025. Even if you are a total beginner, if you watch this video until the end, you will get so much knowledge to start this business. So throughout the video, we are going to cover what digital stickers are, how to design them, how to package them and list them on Etsy, then plus tools you can use for free. So whether you are a digital artist or just starting out with Canva, this guide is for you. So without any further ado, let's get into it. First of all, we are going to talk about what are digital stickers. So in a Stripe platform, here you can see this is the stickers. So digital stickers are high quality PNG image with transparent background that people use in like digital planners like GoodNotes or Notability, then journaling apps, then scrapbooks or digital scrapbooking, and even on social media posts. They are a great passive income product because you create them once and sell them repeatedly. So now we are going to talk about tools you will need throughout the journey. So you don't need to be a designer. Here are some tools you can use, like free tools I will suggest that will be Canva. You could use the premium one or the free plan. Then you could use Crite, it is a free drawing software, or also you need remove.bg for transparent background. Also, let me give you an optional one. If you are able to use the Pro Tools, then I will suggest you to use Procreate. You will find out in iPad. Then you could use Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Then you could use Affinity Designer. For this tutorial, we will use Canva since it is a beginner friendly. So now let's get to the Canva. Here you can see this is the Canva platform. We already landed in here. If you are new in Canva, you just need to create the Canva account. The process of creating a Canva account is really easy. You can do it. You just need to input your mail and then give the password and just create your account. This is that much easy. So here now we are going to design our first stickers in Canva. You just need to go to the canva.com, then create a custom design option in the panel of the toolbar. Next to the search option, you will get this option called custom size. So here click on this one and then provide a custom size. The perfect size is 1000 into 1000 pixel, or you could use 3000 to 3000 pixel for high resolution. It's totally depend on you. So I'm going to use 1000, then the width will be 1000, and then I will click on create new design. Then design your individual sticker element, like use shapes, icon, or draw using the Canva pen tool, whatever you want. So I am going to click on this element, then I will search some element that will be frog, and let's hit enter, and here you can see that we have this one, and I will filter something that I don't want any premium one, so I want only free. So there is a no option, so I will click on see all, then I will try to find it out. Okay, it's hard to get it, so let's see which one will be good. I think this may looks good, so I will use this one. Just drag and drop here, and then here I will reduce the size and I will add some text that will be frog, and then I am going to click on Canvas Sense and I will make the font which one I found out suitable for this design. Let's try a couple of, then choose one. Okay, I think this one good, and then I will place it here, and you could add couple of effect here if it is needed. Here we have these curve options, you can use this one if you feel this one will be good. Then you could add couple of other elements if it is necessary, like I will leave it this way. Let's add another thing that will be the shape. So I will copy this one and then I will change the corner to 10, and now I will place it. Okay, it becomes so much long, so I will reduce the size. Then here, as you can see it, I will delete this one, then I will again insert some shape, and let's try to make the design more proper. So let's select the color. This one will be a good color, so let's place it here, and the roundness will be only 10. It will be an smart choice. Then I will make the position into the backward. Okay, that's great. I think the color is not enough cool. I will choose this one, not this one, this one. Okay, let's find out something good color, make it customize. Okay, it feels amazing. I will make it in a group. Once it's done, you just need to keep your background transparent if you using Canva Pro, but I am not using Canva Pro, so I have not access to download it in a transparent way. So here, once you feel that you are done, you just need to export each sticker as a PNG file. So here I am going to share it. Just click on share, then I am going to download it, and always make sure your file will be PNG. And here you can see if you are using premium plan, then you are allowed to access this one. So I don't have the premium one, so I will not able to use this one. Just click on download. Once I click over here, then it will take time. Then save individual files or keep them on a sticker sheet. And let me give you a tip that stickers should be cute, seasonal, funny, or aesthetic. Find what's trending. So now I'm going to use the remove.pg. Here you can see this is the link. So let's hit enter, and I'm going to make my image transparent by using these apps. I will place it here, and it will take a while to transparent it. So let's wait a bit, and now here you can see it become transparent. So I'm going to download it, preview, and here eventually you could see it that our image become transparent, and here the resolution become less, but you could run your work with this one. So now we are going to talk about create an sticker sheet or bundle. You can sell individual stickers like each file separate, or you could sell sticker sheets like multiple sticker on one PNG or PDF file. To make sticker sheet, you just need to create a new Canva design that will be 8.5 into 11 inches. Then arrange your sticker neatly on the canvas and export as PNG or PDF. Buyers love value. Bundles or them collections sell better. Now we are going to package our stickers for ST. You just need to create a zip file that includes, like, let's go to this one, and here you can see that we already downloaded this of the file. I'm going to make a zip over here. Just click on this, and then here we will have this one compressed to zip file, and make a zip here. Then optionally you could make a PDF sticker sheet also. Then use instruction optional and a thank you note or bonus. Then make sure its file names are clean, like cute cat sticker.png or something like this, and the file are organized. Now you just need to create an ST listing. So go to your ST shop dashboard. You will get a dashboard if you create an account on ST. Then you just need to add a listing, add a title, for example, cute aesthetic digital sticker for good notes. Then upload 5 to 10 preview images, mock-up sample sheets, and set price, for example 2.99 cent or 5.99. Then you just need to choose category. It could be digital sticker, planners. Then upload the zip file under digital files and add relevant tags like digital stickers, planner stickers, and good notes sticker, and cute PNGs. Then let me give you an tips to stand out on Etsy. Always use high quality mockups. Canvas has built-in mockup template. Then you just need to be focused on niche, pets, productivity, mental health, journaling. Then bundle your sticker into collections. Then offer seasonal packs, Valentine's, Halloween, etc., and promote on Pinterest or Instagram to drive traffic. Then let's wrap up the video here. I hope you learn so much thing from this video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching the video till the end.